Good morning, guys. Welcome to this vlog today. Today we went somewhere and slept in an Airbnb. So come with me as we cook breakfast. This is all we bought. As you can see, we are not in our kitchen, so we bought some eggs already. We bought 12 eggs. We've already eaten some because we were very hungry when we got here. So this is the remaining eggs. We have some sausages. I didn't know they were chipolatas, but it's okay. We have some pork chipolatas. We bought some tomatoes and onions there. We bought the smallest cooking oil. Can see this? I've never seen such small cooking oil. So we bought that. We also bought some milk. As a Kenyan, ugali for us is everything. So we bought some maize flour. I'm going to cook ugali, some eggs, and some tea. So that is what we are going to have for breakfast because hey, we can't just wait and die because of hunger. So let's just get into cooking. We start with the ugali and the eggs at the same time because this is the cooker we are going to use. So we are using this for today. So yes, let's get started. Let's wait for the water to boil so that we can eat. And this is very small, it's going to burn me. So let's change to a bigger one. So good. Let's use this. Let's use that one. That's better. No, it's still going to burn me. I don't know how to use this cooker. That's okay. So now let's wait for this water to boil so that we can cook our ugali. In the meantime, we can start cooking our eggs and tea. Our water is boiling, as you can see, it's almost boiling. So let's give it some time to boil as we cut our onions in here and start cooking the eggs. Or we can start with the chipolatas. I think that would be better. We start with the chipolatas first, then after we cook the chipolatas from here, we can now cook the eggs from the same pan. This is the cooking stick we are using. It's very big, but this is what we are going to work with. We are not home, so we're going to use whatever is available. Our water is boiling already. So now we are going to add our cooking flour, our maize flour, right? And this is good, it's too much. It's too much. Don't ask me why I didn't go to look for breakfast. I don't know around. So because I'm still not familiar with this place, I decided to cook for myself and eat clean food. Eat food. I know the sauce. I cannot go eating on the streets and I don't know around yet. So I'm just eating, then I head out so that I can know my surrounding. Now from there we can eat from outside. For now, let's eat what we are familiar with. Oh God, this is very hot. The sufuria is so hot. I don't want to burn their clothes, and I've used a very small sufuria. It's also not fitting on the burner. We're moving on well. So now let's cover this for it to bake. Like our oven is burning. See that it's smoky. It's burning, almost burned. Yeah, our ugali is burning again. I'm not used to these sufurias. Oh my god, I just burned my ugali. Look. Oh. Maybe it's not going to be bitter. Oh my god, what did I just do? What is this now? The sufurias are getting hotter very fast. Not very fast, not hotter, hot. They're getting hot so fast. So let's get to this. I'm not used to this cooker, so maybe it's going to behave. So let's prepare our tomatoes and onions. Our chipolatas are ready. As you can see, our dal is ready. This is the much we cooked. It burnt a little bit, but it's okay. We're going to have it as it is. So now we're going to cook our eggs here. This is the tea we are using. Hope you can see, yes, baraka chai, tangawizi. eat as much as I can because I don't know then when I'm going to have my next meal. How many eggs we cooked? 4 eggs. Yeah, these are 4 eggs. They look like too many eggs, but and this is our breakfast. That's our breakfast there. This is what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to wear this two-piece. It's a trouser and a wrap. I'm going to wear this top. I found that I had left my top for this. So now I'll wear this flower or maybe I might change to a pink top. Small makeup. This is all I carried. I'm not coming to look like a homeless person. That's for my eyes. That's for my lips and small touch up and then the brushes. That is all I carried and then my glasses. That's all. So let's head to the bathroom, take some shower, then head out to where? To the center, to the shopping center. Then from there we shall see what to do. I'm going to meet my friends. They're coming today. I came yesterday. So yeah, let's head out. They're going to be here by I think 3. Now that I came earlier than them, I think I just have to hang around and wait for them. So let's get to the bathroom, take some shower, prepare, then head out. This is my look. So I just decided to do a touch on my eyebrows, as you can see there. Lips kidogo. Then that's my dress. That's how I look. Hope it's not so short. Again, that's it. Then we head out. Insta bye bye.